Hi friends, do you know what does it mean by a cardinal number or an ordinal number? When people start throwing off the words as cardinal number or ordinal number, you may be confused and maybe you give up. But friends, you just have to think that these are just the terms which you have used several times before. Let's see few of the examples. Many a times you share your address by saying that your house is on a particular floor. See here, it's mentioned as second floor, or your father's office is on the fourth floor, something like that. So here, second or fourth, these are the ordinal numbers. Now see this slide, you can see an image of an octopus in the first picture. How many legs it has? It has 8 legs. Okay, when you say 8, it becomes a cardinal number. Now see the second picture, it's a calendar given. You might have all often heard as January is the first month of the year, February is the second month of the year, and so on. So here I have mentioned for the month of August, it is the 8th month of the year, right? Here when you say 8th, it becomes the ordinal number. 8 is a cardinal number, but 8th is the ordinal number. Okay? By this time, you might be little bit clear about cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. When you say 1, 2, 3, then they are cardinal numbers. But when you say first, second, third, they are ordinal numbers. Now see this slide. You might have heard the name of King Ashoka. He was the third ruler of the Mauryan Empire. Okay, here which is the ordinal number? Third is the ordinal numbers. Now, can you tell me which is the cardinal number for third? Yes, it is 3. Friends, we use ordinal numbers when ranking or ordering things. Ordinal numbers tell us about the order or position of the number in counting. Now, see friends, you can see the image of the solar system. Now, you know that Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Okay, you may see the image and count the position of Jupiter from Sun. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. And likewise, you can go ahead with the other planets too. Again, here I would like to add on as first, second, third, fourth, and so on. They are the positions of the planet from the Sun, and they are all ordinal numbers. Now see this slide. You can see the image of the clown show and the positions in which they enter the clown show. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, 10 clowns are entering to the clown show and the positions are mentioned. They are all ordinal numbers. Now see this picture. You can see all the persons are facing to the bank. In this picture, the person on the topmost step is first in line and the person on the bottommost step is 10th in line. I want you to focus the spelling of cardinal number 4, for which the ordinal number is written as fourth. The spelling is Fourth. It is not Forth, which is the common mistake. Okay, I again want you to see the spelling for ninth. It is Ninth. It is not Nieneth. Okay. Now come to this slide. You can see 7 children are standing in a row, and the questions asked are: Jack is the blank from the right, Lalit is the blank from the left, Bobby is the blank from the right. That is, you have to write the positions from left side or the right side. Okay, see the arrow and write the answer. Suppose I am asking the first question: Jack is the blank from the right side, that is from right. Check the position for Jack. So you can see that Jack is from the right, sixth position. So you can say Jack is the sixth from the right. Now we will see Lalit is the blank from the left side. So now check the position for Lalit from the left. And you can see that Lalit is standing at the fifth position. Right? Now come to the third question. Bobby is the blank from the right side. So Bobby from the right, you can count that he is at the fourth position. Okay? Now, children, you can see the cardinal numbers as well as ordinal numbers from 11 to 20. Here, you need to take care when you write the ordinal number for 12th. Okay? It is TWELFTH, 12th. Okay? And now, the ordinal number for 20, that is 20th, and the spelling is TWENTIETH. The others, you can see that only TH is added to the cardinal number spelling, and you have the ordinal number for the same. Now, children, see the cardinal and ordinals for 20 to 90. You can see that when you write the ordinal numbers for the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, Y changes to IE and you need to add TH to that. So, when you see the spelling for 20th, TWENT and Y changes to IE and you have to add TH to that. Okay. Now come to the second part, that is, now see the left side of the slide. Here the numbers from 21st to 30th are given. Okay. Now see the ordinals for that. Here you need to take care that only the second number changes to the ordinal number. 20 remains as it is, and only you need to write the second number to an ordinal number. So you have the ordinals for 21, that is 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and so on. I want you to see the spelling for 29th. Again, you know that what is the spelling for ninth, that is NINTH. So here you need to take care. Fine. Now the question is, what is the ordinal number for 100,000 and million? Okay, from the slide itself, it's very much clear. That is, only thing is that you need to add TH to the spelling in cardinals, and you have the ordinals for that. Thank you.